to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today is going to be an update video about my tulips. So you might remember a video I put out last November. Yeah. So remember when I said I wasn't going to plant any bulbs this year? Yeah. So that happened. So to the open house, it was a Christmas open house at Terra Greenhouses last Thursday night, and they had a good deal. 99 cents. That's what it says. I got them all in, and when you look at my garden in the spring and we all sit there and wonder why everything is a hot mess and hodgepodge and there's missing spots and who knows what, yeah, we'll know why. Spoiler alert, it's gorgeous and it's starting to rain. So without further ado, let's check out this year's garden. I was so worried it was gonna look like just such a mess, but honestly, they're flowers. They can't look bad. So here it is. This is May 11th, and I took this video this morning, and it is just absolutely stunning. I'm not exactly sure what varieties are which. Like when I planted them, I just threw them in the ground. I did not keep track really of what anything was, but I will try and come in and pop up on the screen the varieties as I can kind of figure out based on the pictures from the package from the video that I had made back in November when I had planted all of these up. So I don't know what's going to happen this fall, if I find another good deal on tulips. I don't know how well these are going to naturalize or come back. I find sometimes the fancier tulips just don't want to do that. They're more of an annual. So that's why I really didn't want to, you know, go through all the work of planting and spending the money on tulips, because the last couple of years I've been kind of disappointed. But for 99 cents a pack, like I had no choice, right? Like I had no choice. So I had the tulips in here, I have the daffodils, I had snowdrops that had bloomed already. They were very, very tiny. So if I find pictures of those, I will drop them in at the end. But just, I hope you enjoy sitting back and relaxing and enjoying the absolute beauty that is spring tulips.